In this video, I would like to show you how to export transaction histories in Shopify. At first, make sure to be logged into your Shopify admin account and then select Orders. Then on the Orders page, at the very top, look for the Export button right here. Click on it. Now select whether you want to export the current page, all orders, or the orders by date. For the purpose of this example, I'll export transaction histories from January 1st to December 31st of 2024. So let's select the last option, order by date. Now let's select January 1st. Now let's pick December 31st. Then you have to select whether you want to export the CSV file for Excel numbers or spreadsheet programs, or just a plain CSV file. I'm going to pick the first option and then click on Export Transaction Histories. Now you should receive an email with the download link to a file. Let me go to my email account, and there's the email. Now let's download the file to a local computer. Perfect, there it is. Now let me open Google Spreadsheets and then select File, Import, Upload. Now let's drag this file right in here. And open now. And as you can see, the file contains some key columns such as the order number, the transaction type, whether it was a sale or a refund, the payment gateway, created date, amount, currency, and so on. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.